It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we are doing some more gel polish swatches, okay, and this kit came from Amazon.com as well, and it is by a company called WAKANIYA. I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it, okay? So it came with 6 colors, and I'm going to swatch them for you guys, okay? Now these colors really stood out to me because they are glittery and sparkly and everything, okay? So on my swatch stick, I have 2C, which means 2 coats. I have the name of the company, which we're gonna pronounce it WAKANIYA, and I have the number. So on the top of these bottles, they have a little number on the top, and I have all of that on my swatch stick, okay? Today I'm still using my little styrofoam sheet to make sure that they're not laying on the table. This worked really well for me when I did the beetle swatches, so I'm doing it again. So I am doing 1 coat and just popping it in the lamp. So for this process, and why I said doing the gel swatches is a lot easier, because I can just, you know, put the gel on there, pop it in the lamp, and basically just keep the lamp going the whole time while I'm doing the swatches. And of course, when I did my dip swatches, and also I decided to do all of my dips in one day, which was probably the problem, but it just took forever, okay? So if y'all have not seen the video of me make swatches for my entire dip collection, definitely check that video out. But this method worked out really well. I only did 2 coats in this one, and in the Beatles one I did 2 coats of the gel polish and 1 coat of top coat. At the moment, the base and top coat that I'm using is Beetles, so yeah, this is the WAKANIYA and Beetles top coat. Now these are a little thicker than the Beetles gels. Of course, your temperature, all of that, you know, goes into play when you're dealing with gel. If it's warm, you know, the gel can be liquid. If the temperature is colder, the gel can be, you know, thicker. Well, of course it's kind of, you know, liquid, but runnier is what I mean. If it's warmer, then when it's cold, it can be thicker. So now it's time for the second coat. So by keeping the lamp going the whole time, by the time you cycle back to that first one, that one is fully cured. So that's why I enjoy this method. And by the time you guys are seeing this, you guys are seeing this one after the Beetles video. I put that one out because I used it in both of my Easter looks, but I actually did this swatch first. So the Beetles one went a lot smoother than this one because I had already kind of worked out the kinks and found a nice method that I like by doing them 2 at a time. So here you can see this is when I started to do them 2 at a time, and I was like, okay, this is working. So in the Beetles video, I had my method locked down. And I'm so excited because some of my other Beetles polishes are coming today. So I'm just super excited to swatch those. I have a lot of different colors and I'm just so excited to start doing some different like nail art and like painting different things on the nails and stuff like that. So I'm super excited about that. So of course I have to tell you guys which collection I got off of Amazon in case you guys want to go get it. They have a lot of Beetles collections on sale, so that's why I kind of snatched them on up. But this particular gel set was a gift. That's why I'm super excited to try it out. Now this is that Beetles top coat that I was telling y'all about. And because this polish was a lot thicker, I felt like I had to kind of let it level out. So this is what they look like. They are beautiful and sparkly. If y'all know me, I'm the type of person that when I would paint my nails, I would go on top of it with the clear coat that had the little sparklies in it. So I love sparkly nails. I used to do that in all of my old videos, y'all. Definitely check out some of my old nail videos. I have came a long way. Now I'm just going to wipe everything off with alcohol. I did apply the top coat, but on maybe the sides or the edge or something, it was still a little tacky, so I just went ahead and wiped it off with alcohol to just get rid of any tackiness, because I don't want them to be tacky or, you know, stick to anything when I put them on the ring. I also bought these cool cases to organize my nail polishes. I did the video where I showed you guys how I organized my nail area, and let me tell y'all, I done redid the whole thing. I have moved it to a whole nother place, and so if y'all want to see how I kind of redid it, a lot of the new things that I got, definitely comment that below so I can make that video and show you guys what I have going. All right, so these are the swatches. They look amazing, and I'm going to do a little low light for y'all so y'all can see all of the sparkly goodness. I know for a fact that royal blue with the glitter, y'all are going to see that really soon. I'm not going to tell y'all when. It's a little surprise, but y'all going to see that real soon on a series that I have coming up. All right, always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification button. Hit all the buttons, and it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.